Please take little higher powers will take. N equivalent to, right from root I will discuss everything. 2 power 8 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 4 into 11 square. 11 square. Factors for n. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. These are nothing but 8 by 3 plus 1, 7 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1. If you get a decimal, ignore it. 8 by 3 is 2 plus 1, 7 by 3 is 2 plus 1, 4 by 3 is 1 plus 1, 2 by 3 is 0 plus 1. 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer for this question is 18. Answer for this question is 18. 8 by 3, 2 plus 1. Ignore decimals. Something which I said it. Ignore decimals. Ignore decimal values. Ignore decimal values. Factors for n which are perfect square. Perfect square means divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. I hope this concept is clear. What are the concepts that we discussed today? How to find the number of factors. How to find the odd factors. How to find the even factors. How to find the factors which are divisible by k. How to find out the factors which are not divisible by k. How to find out the factors which are perfect squares. How to find out the factors which are not perfect squares. Not perfect square is negation method. Total factors minus factors which are perfect squares. Perfect cubes. Total factors minus factors which are not perfect cubes. Next, one more model. Please write down. I hope till here the idea is clear. N equivalent to 2 power 3 into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the number of total factors. Find the number of total factors. Find the number of total factors. Total prime factors. Total prime factors. Third one, another model. Total composite factors. Total composite factors. 3 questions. Find the total number of factors, total prime factors, total composite factors, and finally the conclusion connecting A, B and C. Conclusion connecting A, B and C. Find the total number of factors. 0 to 3 is 4. 0 to 2 is 3. 0 to 1 is 2. 4 into 3 into 2. Answer for this question is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24. Find the total factors. Now see here. B. Lot of teachers also will do this mistake. Find the prime factors. Prime factors is nothing but factors which are prime numbers. Factors which are prime numbers. Factors which are prime numbers, which is nothing but 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Any power of a prime number starting from here, if I write like this, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. If I see total number of prime factors, prime factors is factors which are prime numbers. Any power of prime number greater than 1, it is a composite number. 4 is composite, 8 is composite, 9 is composite, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So these are eliminated. Totally how many you got? 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Total number of prime factors is nothing but total number of prime bases, total number of prime bases. Total number of prime factors is nothing but total number of prime bases. Total prime bases are nothing but 3 here. So answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question is 3. Total number of prime factors is nothing but total number of prime bases. Conclusion. Now see here. This is total factors are 24. Total prime factors are 3. One is a neither prime number nor composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. So what we'll do is composite factors is nothing but 20. Natural numbers are 3 types. One is 1, another is prime number, another is composite number. One will have only one factor. Prime number will have 2 factors. Composite number will have greater than 2 factors. Composite number will have greater than 2 factors. Composite factors are nothing but 20. Composite factors are nothing but 20. How you got composite factors? Total factors are 24 minus of total prime factors are 3 and 1 I have to add. Why? Because 1 plus prime factors plus composite factors is the total number of factors. Please write down that point. Please write down that point. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 plus total number of 1 plus total number of prime factors. 1 plus total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors. Total number of composite factors. This is nothing but total number of factors. Total number of factors. Please write down. Please put a star mark on this important point. 1 plus total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors is nothing but total number of factors. 1 plus total number of prime factors, total number of composite factors is nothing but total number of factors. How you got this one? If I take a natural number n, if I take a natural number n, there are 3 kinds of numbers that are present. Only one factor. The number which has got only one factor, that is nothing but 1. Only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. That number is called a prime number. That number is called a prime number. Greater than 2 factors. Greater than 2 factors. That number is called as composite factor. Composite factors. So the total number of factors for a natural number is nothing but 1 plus total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors. Total number of composite factors. Extremely important key point. Now we will solve a very, very good question. Very, very important key point. 1 plus total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors. It is nothing but total number of factors. It is total number of factors. Total number of factors. Kindly do not send your name, email ID and mobile number to me. Right? Unless please send it to Praveen. Right? Next one. I hope it is clear. Natural number. Now we will solve a very, very good question. Please write down this question. Please write down this question. If the total number of total number of if the total number of prime factors is 3, if the total number of prime factors is 3, what could be the minimum number of factors for this number? What could be the minimum number of factors for this number? See here, if the total number of prime factors is 3, what could be the minimum number of factors for this number? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Prime factors are nothing but prime bases. So, prime factors are nothing but prime bases count. Prime bases count. What is the prime base count that is given? 3. So, this will become P1 power P1, P2, P3. Am I right? P1, P2, P3. What are all these? These are nothing but the prime bases. These are nothing but the prime bases. Are you with me? Right? This is the number. What could be the minimum number of factors? What could be the minimum number of factors for a number greater than 1? For a number greater than 1. Because it is a minimum number of factors, power can be given as 1, 1, 1. Because these are 3 different prime bases and it is minimum number, give minimum number to it. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. So, and what will be the number of factors for this number? 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2. Minimum number of factors for this number could be 8. Minimum number of factors could be 8. Again, I am telling you, the total number of prime factors is 3. Prime factors 3 means prime bases count is 3. P1 power 1, P2 power 1, P3 power 1. These are all prime bases. These are all prime bases. All these are 3 distinct prime bases. All these are distinct prime bases. P1, P2, P3. Because it is minimum, lowest number of prime bases is 2, 3 and 5. Number of factors for this number is 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2. 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2. Right? I hope it is clear. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Next one. Please write down. I hope this concept is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Is this concept clear to you? 1 plus prime factors plus composite factors. One plus prime factors plus composite factors. That is nothing but the total number of factors. 1 plus prime factors plus composite factors. That is nothing but the total number of factors. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Till April 14th or 15th. If the lockdown extends, consider yourself lucky. Right? This is one such time where I can do a lot of free live classes to many of the students who are sitting in home or working from home. This is a golden opportunity for you to learn directly from me. Do not miss any of the classes. Students who joined late or students who came to know about my live classes through your friends, please go back. From March 30, I am taking YouTube live classes. From March 30 till yesterday, all the live classes are made public. From today, the live classes will be made private. A 2 hours class. The next day, 20 or 25 minutes will be visible in the class. Entire class will not be visible. Entire class will not be visible. Entire class will not be visible. Pramod, for you, prime factors are nothing but prime bases. So P1, P2, P3. Because it is minimum, power can be 1, natural number greater than 1. All the three are three different prime bases, 2, 3 and 5. So 2 into 2 into 2, answer is 8. Another model, please write down, n equivalent to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the number of factors which has 1 0 at the end. Which has 1 0 at the end. Number of factors which has got 1 0 at the end. Factors which has got 1 0 at the end are nothing but the factors which are divisible by 10. Factors which are divisible by 10. Factors which are divisible by 10. Any factor which are divisible by 10 is 10k. This is 2 into 5. Remaining is 2 square into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. These entire factors are 3 into 3, it is 9. 3 into 3, it is 9. I hope it is clear. Factors which has 1 0 at the end. Factors which has 1 0 at the end. What are the factors which are divisible by 10? 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Sir, what if a multiple of 10, 100 comes into picture? It has got 2 zeros. 100 will not come into this picture. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Minimum power of 2 should be 2. Minimum power of 5 is 2. But minimum power of 5 is 1. 100 cannot come into this picture. So the factors which are divisible by 10 is 3 into 3, 9. Another model, please write down. Keep on solving as many models as possible. As many models as possible. Next one. Next model. How many factors for 360? How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? Please write down. How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? The best way to solve this question is by using Venn diagram concept. By using Venn diagram concept. Venn diagram concept. How many factors for 360? Let these circle represent all the factors of 360. Let these circle represent all the factors of 540. All the factors of 540. There are two numbers, 360 and 540. Question is, how many factors for 360? How many factors for 360? How many factors for 360? These entire factors for 360, see here, these entire factors for 360, this complete portion are not factors of 540. That means, can I say, from this entire red circle, if I remove this violet color circle, if I remove this violet color, I will get the remaining. Am I right? How many factors for 360 are not factors? Are not factors for 540. Total factors for 360. So this is nothing but total factors for 360 according to the diagram minus factors common to 360 comma 540. Am I right? 360 comma 540. Total circle of 360 minus, if you subtract this common region, I will get the answer for this question. How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? Are not factors for 540. I hope it is clear. By using diagram, it will be very clear. Total factors of 360 minus factors common to 360 and 540. Now what we'll do is, we'll solve this one. I hope the diagram is clear to you. Any competitive exam you are preparing, if you got aptitude as a part of the syllabus, you got number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry and modern maths as a part of your syllabus. Mark my words, I will make you so strong in this topic. Aptitude, DI and reasoning. These are my distinct forte. I am known for sending differently abled people into IIMs. It should be a cakewalk. If you are learning concepts, if you are understanding everything, if your confidence is growing every class and it continues till the exam, there is no other way other than you reaching the destination. Sincere effort is what I expect. It is okay if you are not good in maths. I know how to take you from a zero to a hero level. It is okay if you do not have interest in mathematics. I will create interest in mathematics. It is okay if you cannot afford to spend 40-50,000 going to a classroom coaching. That is actually the worst thing, because you do not even know the teacher, right? Sit in your home, listen to every class of mine. I will make you study minimum 6 hours every day. 6 hours of my class. Revision if it takes 4 hours. 10 hours every day. I will make you do a constructive time if you are an enrolled student. Forget about your friends, right, who are sitting and wasting their time. Nature is listening to everything. If you work hard and the results do not come today, tomorrow it will multiply and come. Don't use your mind. Trust these lines. I repeat these lines. If you work with a sincere and serious effort, if results do not come today, do not worry. A day will come, results will multiply and come. Mark these words. Don't use your mind. Don't even get into a debate with me whether it is right or wrong. Have faith in my words, directly inculcate these lines, and it has helped me so beautifully in these lines. All I know as a teacher is to show you. If I am working hard taking 6 to 8 hours, I don't find as a learner why you should not work hard. I do not even want to know what exactly are your busy timings. Right? Next one. Please write down. How many factors? Let me complete this question. How many factors for 360? How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? Factors common to 360 and 540. Factors for 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 4 into 3 into 2, 24. Factors common to 360 and 540, it is nothing but HCF of 360, 540. Various models on HCF we discussed in our class. 360 does not divide 540. Take the factor of 360, 180. 180 is divisible by 540. 180 is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. What are the factors for this number? 3 into 3 into 2. 24 minus 18. Answer is 6. 24 minus 18. Answer is 6. Factors for 360 is 4 into 3 into 2. It is 24. Factors for 180 is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 into 3 into 2 is 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6. Right? Yes, Shruti, it both have 18 factors common, Shruti. It both has 18 factors common. 24 minus 18 is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6. I hope it is clear. Write down one more question. Write down one more question. Please write down. Write down one more question. Write. Concept. Please take down this concept, then I will take that question. If n1 is 12, 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. n2 is 18, which is 3 square into 2 power 1. 2 power 1. 2 power 1. Let me take the HCF of LCM at HCF 10 hours videos. Only on LCM and HCF 10 hours videos is there, which is made public in our YouTube channel. Those students who are new to me, please go after the class. Watch it. You will have better understanding of LCM and HCF. HCF of N1 and N2 is 6. 6 is nothing but 2 and 3. HCF always takes the lowest power of the common prime basis. Please write down. HCF always takes the lowest power of the common prime basis. Why am I doing this? You will understand in the next one. Factors common to. Now see here. Good question, Mahesh. You have asked, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now see here. HCF, what are the factors common to 12 and 18? Common to 12 and 18 is 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are nothing but the factors of 6, Mahesh. That is the reason I am taking the HCF of 12 and 18. Good question you have asked. Good question you have asked. Factors common to. Factors common to HCF of N1 and N2. It is 6. It is 6. I hope it is clear. HCF always takes the lowest power of common prime basis. Lowest power of common prime basis. Lowest power of common prime basis. Lowest power of the common prime basis. Just give me few seconds time. HCF of N1 and N2, it is 6. Mahesh, I hope the concept is clear to you. Next one. Find the factors. Find the factors common to. Find the factors common to 120 and 300. Find the factors common to 120 and 300. Factors common to 120 and 300. It is nothing but the HCF of 120 and 300. 120 does not divide 300. Take the factor of 120. 60. 60 divides 300. Yes. So HCF is 60. 60 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into 5. What are the factors for this number? Factors for 60 is 3 into 2 into 2. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Find the factors common to 120 and 300. Factor common to 120 and 300 is nothing but the HCF of 120 and 300. 120 does not divide 300. Take the next factor. How to do HCF? Various models are discussed. Please go back and see it. 60. 60 will divide 300. 60 is 2 square into 3 into 5. What are the factors for this number? 3 into 2 into 2. 4 into 3, it is nothing but 12. 4 into 3, it is nothing but 12. It is nothing but 12. I hope the idea is clear to you. I hope the idea is clear to you. I hope the idea is clear to you. Right? Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if that idea is clear to you. If that idea is clear to you. If the idea is clear to you, kindly reply, so that we will get into the next concept. So that we will get into the next concept. Factor common to 120, 300 is 60. Everybody kindly reply. I want your acknowledgement in the live chat. Otherwise, I will not come to know whether you have understood or not. It's a non-physical platform. Only you and me in between one camera and technology is there. You are seeing me through the technology and the camera. I am seeing whether you have understood the concept or not by only through your live chats. I want you to reply. I want everybody to reply. Right? You should say, right? Balashiva, please go back and see the HCF. Factors common to 120 and 300. Do not need to write down it as a prime basis. Use the HCF concept. Use the HCF concept. I will repeat what all concepts that we have discussed. I will repeat it. We have discussed total factors. We have discussed even factors. We have discussed odd factors. We have discussed factors which are divisible by k. We have discussed factors which are not divisible by k. We discussed how to find out the prime factors. We discussed how to find out the composite factors. Then we discussed how to find out the factors which are perfect squares. Then we discussed factors which are perfect cubes. Perfect square always has an odd number of factors. This we discussed. How to find out the factors ending with 1, 0. Ending with 1, 0. These are all the concepts that we discussed till now. A foundation class on factors and multiples. A foundation class on factors and multiples. I hope all these are clear to you. Now what you do is, now please take a small assignment of 10 minutes. Small assignment of 10 minutes so that you can come prepared for the next class. Small assignment of 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes only for you to solve it. 10 minutes for you to solve it. What is the assignment? Now see here. Assignment. All these concepts we discussed. Do some pen pushing. You will understand it. Please take a screenshot of this question. This is something which you are expected to solve it because I have discussed the concept. Please take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. 1450. Find the factors. Find the even factors. Take the screenshot. Find the factors. Find the even factors. 10 seconds I will keep this image so that you can take factors and even factors. Find it. Find odd factors and prime factors. 10 seconds I will keep this image. Odd factors and prime factors. Odd factors and prime factors. Again, third image. Factors which are multiples of 12, factors which are not multiples of 12. Factors which are multiples of 12 and factors which are not multiples of 12. Factors which are perfect squares, factors which are perfect cube. 10 seconds. Total for 1440. Factors we have to find even factors, odd factors, prime factors, composite factors, perfect squares, perfect cubes. Now, in the next class, extremely important class. Do not miss the next class. Do not miss the next class. In the next class, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss sum of factors. We are going to discuss sum of factors, product of factors, sum of factors, product of factors, number of ways of writing a number, and how to solve few problems based on integral solutions. This will take another 2 hours of the class. Solve this problem. Sir, I got a message from some of the college principals, placement directors, and some of the college founders. They told, Anil sir, some of my students want to purchase your course, placements and everything. We request you to give few months validity, but at an very ordinary price so that everybody can learn from you. Any student who is an engineering student, if you are preparing for placements, unbelievable offer because of the request from college management, 3 months course will just cost you 1200 rupees. In case if you are preparing for bank or an SSC, 3 months course, it will cost you 2100. In case if you are preparing for CAT, this will cost you 3600 rupees. 3600 rupees. It is inclusive of tax and inclusive of YouTube videos, inclusive of all YouTube live class videos. It is a never before, never after unbelievable offer which I am giving you only for first 20 students. So all the college people who said, sir, I want my students to purchase, but most of them may face a financial issue because of this corona crisis. I want you to give them at a very, very ordinary price so that they can utilize it. What you need to do is, please WhatsApp 80500-67891. Give name, email ID and mobile number, and you can use Phone Pay or a Google Pay. Send the payment screenshot. Placements, it is just 1200 rupees. Right, what you will get here? 2500 plus videos. What you will get here? 3500 plus videos. What you will get here? 4500 plus videos. And the best part is YouTube live classes of 100 hours content will be added to you. The course validity is 3 months. In case if you want for 1 year, please message me in the WhatsApp. First 20 students, I am interested in giving this offer. Interested students, please message. Next class is at 9:30 p.m. Thanks a lot for your patient listening. Interested, I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students have messaged me right now. Please don't wait for things to happen. This is an offer till 9:30 p.m. Till 9:30 p.m. Before I start the next class, I can give at this price. Once I start the next class, there could be an increase in the price. Thank you.